Wait, let me show you how to remove watermark from all your CapCut videos.
For those of you guys posting videos maybe on your social media with watermark, you use a CapCut to edit your videos and there'll be watermark on those videos. This video is for you. How to remove watermark from your CapCut video. So if you do a video with a CapCut or you edit your video with CapCut, how to remove the watermark. So the first thing, I'll click on this create, then select the video I want to edit. So as you can see, you'll be seeing watermark. The watermark is very visible. So next you go to this aspect ratio. Please stay with me. I'm also going to show you how to remove watermark from your 9:16 videos. That is the major reason why I'm doing this video. Both of you may actually know how to do this before. So we are using 16:9 for this. So the first thing, you just use 1:1. So you discover that the CapCut stuff is now outside your video. So the next thing, you just save this. Go to the end of the video, you remove this, then you save this one. Just export. Click on this export. The next thing you're going to do now. So after exporting it, you will go to your gallery. So next you click on this edit. So you click on edit. So you click on this icon, which is you want to something like next you just look for 9:16 and you shape your video into it. So you just click on this video icon. You can see the watermark is gone. No more watermark. So next you just save this. So click on this place to save. So the watermark is gone. The video is free. So let's look at how to remove watermark from 9:16. We are still going to use this video. So you click on create and select the video. So you can see the watermark. The next we are going to do now, we'll go to aspect ratio. We select 9:16. So the next thing, I will select this 9:16. You can see the stuff is still there. So you click on this video. So you just have to use your two hands to move the video inside. Just move the video inside. So I think it's okay like this. Just move the video inside. The next thing you're going to do now, we'll save it like this. You're going to save the video like this. Remove this one. Remove this. Delete this one out. So you're going to save the video like this. So you click on export. So we'll go to our gallery. So we just click on edit. Click on this. So we're going to look for 9:16. So as you can see, there's no, just click on the 9:16 and leave it like that. Don't move the video. If you just click on 9:16, we just enter. Click on 9:16, we just enter, or you shape it where to enter. So next, so you can see there's no more watermark. The watermark is gone forever. So you just click to save. Click on this place to save it. So this one is another 9:16. This means that everywhere is covered with the picture. So let's see, try for this. So you just move it inside. Just move it inside. Okay, let's first select 9:16. Let's select 9:16 first. So you click on aspect ratio. Click on aspect ratio. So you choose 9:16. Before we'll just do our thing. Then move it inside. I think it's okay that way. We'll go to export. Let's remove the last part. Remove this side. Then we're going to export this. So we'll go to our gallery to edit this. So this is the video. So click on edit. Click on this. And we'll just have to crop it. So we are using crop. So we're using 9:16. So just shape it to the 9:16. You're just going to shape it in. So after you have shaped it in, you can see there's no more watermark. Watermark is gone. So you just save your video. Save your video for yourself. So this is our new video now. So this is our new. You can see our new video.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment.